Let's understand what we did last class. Okay. If you remember last class, we started with the Linux only because Linux is the one which we need when you enter any company. First thing will be that everything will work in a what Linux, Ubuntu, correct? Or Unix we call it. Some people call Linux, Unix, or Ubuntu, all are similar only. Now, if you remember previous classes and all, I have given the introduction. Then from last two classes, we started with the Linux. Okay. Now, in a company, if you want to use a Linux, how will you use app or web based? Which tool? Why which website you will use? Huh? In the company, how you will use? How you gonna use the huh? ETH? Which website? ETH. XT.turbo. Via this, you gonna use the web Linux. And if it is any institute and all, we'll be using what? Ubuntu. Okay. This is how you will be getting your OS. Okay. Now, how to install? I said like you need to have minimum Windows 10. Okay. Then what you need to do? Go and press the Windows key. Windows feature on and off will be there. You enable that subsystem for Linux and Windows will be get enabled. Okay, this subsystem for Linux will be enabled. After that, you need to go to your web store like Microsoft Store. From there, you need to search what Ubuntu. Then what happens? You need to do what get on a higher version. You can do the get option. Okay. Post installation, you need to do one time restart. Once you do the restart, if you get anything called a WHL error, okay, try to solve by yourself by the video or any YouTube video or ChatGPT. Okay. Once post installation done, okay, you can open the Ubuntu once again. Okay, it will ask you admin and password. You can give any admin and password. Okay, normally I always give admin. Okay, because in order to remember for a long time. Okay, if you want to give any other name, you can give it. Then what happened? We started with the commands. Okay, in the Linux or Ubuntu, what are the commands we use every day? Okay. Now, these are the list which we have started discussing one by one. What is mkdir? What the mkdir will do? Make a directory. Okay. It will create a directory for you. Is it in your engineering, you have used the command similar to like this. Mkdir, any one name, your name you have given. But here what you have learned extra means, is it only one folder or one directory I can create in one go or multiple directory I can create? Huh? Multiple directory you can create. Now the question comes, multiple directory means how? In a sub-hierarchy manner or in the same hierarchy manner? If you want to do in a sub-hierarchy, how will you do? Online people. If you want to create a sub-folder, sub-hierarchy, what is the option you use? mkdir minus p. In the A, you create B. In the B, you create C. In the C, you create D. Means if you remember, I have explained to you master VLSI. In that, I want one folder called I what? Student. In that, I want one folder called I what? University. Is it a sub hierarchy? Yes. If you want to create a sub hierarchy, you need to use an option called what? mkdir minus P master VLSI. Sorry. Student and university, you need to give like this. Once you do, a sub hierarchy folder will be created. Now, video, Anna, and JMTU. These people are in the sub hierarchy or same hierarchy? Same hierarchy. Then you need to give mkdir, VTU, Anna, JMTU. Clear? If it is a sub hierarchy for multiple things, you use what? Minus P. Minus P is called like what? Switch. What do we call? Switch. Okay. Minus P switch you need to use and you can give it in this manner. Or if you want in the same hierarchy, you will be doing like this. So this is what we have learned with respect to what MKDIR. Next, MKDIR is used for folder creation, correct? If you want to open any folder, you will use MKDIR. Now, my question is that if you take a Unix or a Linux machine, we will have two people majorly. One is a folder, one is what? File. How will you open a file? If you want to create a folder, MKDIR. If you want to create file, how will you create?
Using GVIM.
Correct. GVIM. Example, master VLSI.txt. What will happen? It will create file. Correct? You can create one file. Just give me 1 minute. You will open the GVIM master VLSI.txt. Can I create? The file got created. Okay. You can do here save if you want to write hello word something you can write. You can come here. Save and exit. What save and exit if you do, it will see master VLSI file got created. Cat. What is see what we have written in master VLSI.txt. Hello world only, right? Now the question comes. See what people are asking. Nitesh, like one thing. In my engineering days, okay, when I did listen, people are asking. Okay, listen properly. In my engineering day, I have used to create one folder only. Correct. Now here you have learned how to create a sub hierarchy. One folder or multiple folder? Multiple folder. They are in which format? Hierarchy, sub hierarchy format. Correct. And these people are in what format? Same hierarchy. Now, what people are asking, listen one thing. Nite, like for a folder, you have something called MKDIR. For one folder, you have like this. Now, what people are asking, can I do like this? Sub hierarchy for file. Do we have a, in the reality, sub hierarchy can we create for file? It means, see, try to understand. Master VLSI dot txt. Okay. In that student dot txt. In that example, university dot txt. Can I create like this for the file? Can we create the sub hierarchy or what? For folder, I know in master VLSI, I create one folder called student. In the student, I can create one folder called university. In the file, can we do that? Master VLSI file, student.txt. In Windows, how will you do it? Possible? How it is possible? Show me. See, within a master VLSI, how will you create another file? Tell me. Huh?
Not possible.
See what you think properly. See what you're telling, 1 minute. Example. See here, if you want, I can create one folder called master VLSI. Correct? In that, I can create one folder called student. Here, I can create one folder called university. Correct? Now, my question is that In the master VLSI, I have what? Student. In the student, what I have? University. Similarly, imagine like I will create one file called master VLSI.txt. In this, you create another file. Possible? Huh? Within a file, can you create another file? Not possible. So sub hierarchy cannot be possible. Okay. But can you create same hierarchy multiple files? What is possible? Same hierarchy is possible or multiple hierarchy is possible? Same hierarchy you can do it, correct? See, can I create same hierarchy? Is sub hierarchy is possible? Is it a same hierarchy or sub hierarchy? What about file? Can we do the same sub hierarchy? In master VLSI, student. In the student university. How you? Okay, I'll open master VLSI.txt. Okay, you create another file. How will you do it? Possible? No, not possible. This is the last point, correct? But if I open master VLSI, can you create one more folder? In the folder, you can create another folder. In the file, can you create another file? Not possible, right? So that is what I'm trying to tell you. See, what people are asking now, students are asking me this one. Can I say I want the same format here? Example.txt. We'll take a file. File will be in the format. Example txt format. What is possible? What is not possible? You tell me. Pardon? Correct. Sub hierarchy. Possible or not possible? Not possible. Correct. Here in the folder, can you create sub hierarchy? Can you create same hierarchy? Here, can you create same hierarchy? Now people are asking me, chalo, for one file folder you did. For one file also you did. Now this you are telling you cannot do it. This I can do it, but in the file I cannot do it. But you are telling here same hierarchy. How to create in the same hierarchy multiple file in one shot? You got what is that? Now that let us understand here. Please for the file. Here now. In order to create one file, what we use master VLSI.txt. Now, sub hierarchy is not possible, but in the same hierarchy you can create it. Minus p. Again, here also you use what? Minus p. Master VLSI.txt. Sorry. I'll create v2.txt. Anna.txt. jmtu.txt. What is the option I need to use again? What is the option we use? Minus p only. Here minus p you use it for what? Sub hierarchy. Here minus p you will use for what? Same hierarchy. For same hierarchy you not use anything. Now what my student is telling? This is, shall I try like this also? We'll see all that one. Okay. Key G view. Okay. I'll create MKDI one university folder. Okay. Yeah, I'm in a university folder now. G view. v2.txt. Anna.txt. jmtu.txt. If I use like this, how many files will open? How many open? One or all the three? One only. So don't expect like three got created, only one. Okay. Now if I do example, save and quit. Save and quit I'll do. I'll do ls. How many files got created? Only one. Will it create three? No. Now If you want to create three, all three together, you need to use what? VTO, Anna, JNTU. See you write here VTO example and close here. See here you write save and exit. Oh, sorry. VTO for Anna you write Anna, for JNTU. Correct. Here you got you give what? Save and quit. Now again I'll open. Video is that. What is the learning? Can I use this one? No. Even if you use like this, how many files will create? Only one file. But what is your target? Multiple file. Or multiple file. If you give -p, it will create what? Sub hierarchy. Here if you give -p, what it will be create? Same hierarchy. There is no concept of what? Sub hierarchy. Okay. Here I'll write here. Note. We don't for file. There is no concept of what? Sub hierarchy. Only in Linux or even in Windows also? In Windows or Linux, we don't have this concept at all. Inside folder, if you ask me another folder, I'll create it. But inside file, another file. Can you create it? No. So sub hierarchy you can do in what? Folder. In file, can you do that? No. Same hierarchy, can you do it folder? In one folder, university, can I create three sub folder? Okay. In the can I create in one folder university? Can I create three file? Same hierarchy can be possible in what? Here file. Clear? Any doubt? So I think you got a very clear idea for folder what to do, for file what to do. If you want one folder, mkdir, that folder name. If you want multiple folder, there are two options. Either you need in a sub hierarchy format or that multiple folder in the same hierarchy. Any third option you have? If you have two or three folder, imagine you have three folder. You will arrange the three folder in what way? Either in the same folder, either in the same hierarchy or in the sub hierarchy. Any other third format you have? No. Correct. If it is a sub hierarchy, you will use this one. If it is a same hierarchy, you will use this one. Chal, go for file. To open folder, we have mkdir. For file, to create a file, what will you use? Gvim. Gvim for one file, master VLSI, you can do like this. If you want to create multiple files, okay, in a multiple file, Nitesh, do I have two options, sub hierarchy and same hierarchy? No. For file, how many we have? Only one. What is that? Same hierarchy you can create. Sub hierarchy concept, we don't have it. Okay. Nor in Windows, nor in Linux. Clear? So, how will you use -p? Okay. Not only -p, okay. You have multiple options. What are the options you have? -p, -o, capital O. See, I'll open all the three. You just try to understand what I have done. See, ampersand I'm using. I'll tell you why we need ampersand. Leave it. -p, this is -p. This is -o. This is -o. This is capital O. Now you need to tell me the difference between all the three. Here. Now tell me what are the difference you are finding in all the three. See, one thing. I'll give you one diagram, but try to understand the diagram. Example, a.txt, let us call one file, b.txt another file, c.txt another file. A.txt one file, b.txt another file, c.txt another file. A.txt, b.txt, c.txt. What is the difference between first, second, third? The three file you asked me to open. Three file can I open like this? 1, 2, 3. Okay. See, I'll put a 1, 2, 3 example. Just give me 1 minute. This one, this whichever I have put the tick mark. Which one? That is first one, second one, third one. How you feel like? Whatever the tick mark I put, is it look like a first one, second one, or a third one? Huh? How you feel? Tick mark. Third one, pakka? Can I write? See, this one, whatever I have put the tick mark, they look like what? First one, second one, third one. Second? See, if you are Purti, make sure whenever you don't talk, just kindly mute yourself. Next, whatever the tick mark I put, it look like first one, second one, third one. Huh? First one. Clear? This first, okay, first one we call it what? Vertical or horizontal? What is this? This is called a vertical or horizontal? Vertical pakka. So we call a vertical split. What we call? What I call? Vertical split. This second one is called like what? Vertical or horizontal? Horizontal? Horizontal split. Third one is called a tab new tab. New tab. See first one tab, two tab, three tab. Example, gview minus p a.txt b.txt c.txt. If you do, you'll get like this. Okay. Next, gview minus o, if you give minus o, small letter o, a.txt b.txt c.txt. If you give like what? gview minus capital O, a.txt b.txt c.txt. If you give what? You'll get like this. So now what is the learning? You can open the file in a three different manner. How all you can open? Vertical, horizontal, and new tab. Okay. You can open any multiple file in three different ways. Okay. One is vertical, one is a horizontal, one is a new tab. Vertical means like this. Horizontal means like this. New tab means there will be one file here, second file here, third file. Okay, you can make a note. So I think you got a clarity how multiple folder we can create in one go. Even you can create multiple file also in one go. Note down. See, your control system, maximum how many months you have used that book? 6 months. After that, you have thrown to Kabadi wala, correct, Gujri wala. Okay. See, my notes you need to keep for next 15 years, 10 to 15 years you need to keep. because your engineering notes is maximum of 6 months duration, correct? After that, that do not have any usage at all. My notes, whatever I'll be teaching you, make sure you write it properly because that will be your future bread and butter. Now, Nitai, why I need to keep for 15 years? Today you will give one interview example, maybe in 1 or couple of months you will give. Maybe you got cracked. That is called a service company interview. You can crack. Correct. One first interview you kept my notes. Again you will be having one more interview. Maybe in a 6 month, maybe 3 months or something like that. You'll have what? One more interview called like what? Product company. Again you need my notes. Okay. After 1 year or 2 years, you will feel like, hey, my salary is less. I need to go for more salary. Again you need to give what? Interview. Again you need to refer what? My notes. That is again service interview. Correct. Again you need to give what? Product there also. Again you need my notes. Maybe again after 2 more years you don't like that. Again you want to switch. Again you need to read my notes. Okay. Till how long you will be keep changing your job? Every time you need my notes. Okay. So you cannot tell like I don't need it. You try your best. Do one thing, prepare properly, and after 6 months, throw to the Gujriwala, you will regret lifetime. Because these notes you need every time. So write down everything properly. Okay. And I will refer this website, that website. Show me one website which has this much detailing. You will not find one website also. For VLSI, okay. For everything like a separate, you will get it like a bits and pieces. But we need to have what? Connecting. We will not have one website also in the Google which connects everything. Clear? Hello, done? Is it clear? Can I rub this? Now, see one more time. Let me just explain. See, I want to open 3 files. These 3 files will be in the same hierarchy or sub hierarchy? Huh? Same hierarchy. Now these 3 files, I can use what are the different switch? Minus P, minus O, capital O. All the three you can use it. It's all up to you. If I use a minus P, what will happen? The file will open in which mode? Huh? New tab format. See? What do you call this one? Huh? New tab? Chalo. Minus O, I'll okay. Minus O means what? It will open in what mode? Horizontal manner. Capital O. The file will open in which format? Will open in which format? Vertical format. Clear? So you can open the file in a new tab format, horizontal and vertical. Now people will ask me why you are showing 3 different types. Okay. What happened? Now slowly when I start coding, okay, keep in mind, first I'll make you to use in this manner. Because I won't allow you to open more than one time GVim. Your tool need to open only one time. You get clear? See, don't expect like I will allow you to do like this for you. GVim, what student will do? One time they will open like this. Another time they will open. And now how much time you took to open the 3 files? At least one 20 seconds or 10 seconds, 30 seconds. This is better or open in one shot is better. This one is better or opening one by one is better. Huh? In one go, is it better? because it takes less time for us. Right now you have only 3 files, but when you come for coding now, minimum you will have 15 files, 20 files you need to open in one go. Okay, I'll just show you here. You are telling okay, why you are not doing coding. Coding we cannot do. Keep in mind for next 1 month or at least coding won't happen at all. See, this many files you need to open. How will you open in one by one means it takes so much time. Correct. So one by one we cannot open. We will open in everything in one shot. Either minus P format or minus O or minus capital O. Clear. Minus P means the file will open in what format? New tab format. Minus O means horizontal format. Minus capital O means vertical format. So I think this is very clear to you. Now, any folder, how to create clear? How to create a file is also clear. How to create one folder is clear. How to create one file is also clear. How to create multiple folder in a subdirectory format. That is clear. But the same thing in the file, is it possible? No. Can I create multiple folder in same hierarchy? Yes. Can I create multiple file in same hierarchy? Yes. All this you can open. Okay. Now, what they will do? Minus P means new tab. It will open. It will open in horizontal. It will open in vertical. Clear? Anyone have any doubt till here? Now, let's move to the next topic. So, how to create a folder is clear, how to create a file is clear, single file, multi file, everything we have done. Now, my question is, if you want to enter into one folder, how will you enter? Creating mkdir. To open the folder, how will you open the folder? Huh? What do you do? See. mkdir. Now you have created a folder, correct? I want to open that folder. How will you open? CD, correct? To open the folder, you use what? CD. This one, right? Can I open? To open directory, you need to use what? CD. See, to open a folder, we need what? The to create. Okay. To open, what you need to do? CD, you can do for one single folder, you can do master VLSI, CD, master VLSI. If you want to go like this, even you can go directly to the folder of your choice directly like this. Correct? You do what? CD. Okay. You say what about individual? See, that is CD B2, CD A Anna, CD. Like that you need to do it. Now, my question is that the to create file, you have said to open file. How to open a file? Create mkdir, open CD, create gvim, open gvim. The same thing shall I copy here? The same option will go for what? To open. For open, what you need to do? create and open have what? Same command or different command? Same command. But here create and open is different command. Now to move out or to exit from folder, what you need to do? Pardon? CD example student I have CD university I keep. I want to come out of the university. Okay. Create, open, out means what? Close only? Huh? Or exit. How will you come out of the university? What you need to do? Yesterday I have said, right?
Control set.
Control here. Okay, let me just try control here. Control here, nothing is working.
Maybe dot.
Pardon? What? How will you come out of this folder? Yesterday I have said, right? CD
Dot.
CD dot slash.
CD white space dot or CD dot. Which one is correct? CD white space double dot. Student might have written like this in the notes. It says CD white space double dot. Clear? Okay. Now here to come out of one folder, you can give like this. If you want to come out of two folder means, okay. If you want to come out of three folder means, like this. Okay. One step back. The what? One step backward. Correct. And the what? Two step backward. Three step backward. Create. For any folder, you will do three activities. What are the three activities? Create, open, or close. For file also to create, open. Now people are asking to close, how to do it, or to exit, how to do it. See, I'll open this file. If you want to close here, you can come here. You can tell what? Save and exit. Like this. You can come out of this file. Yeah, there will be option for save and exit. Like this, you can do for all save and exit. I have closed all the file. One more here. Yeah. File. Save and exit. Clear? Let me know if anyone have any doubt. For folder, they create a folder, open a folder, exit out of the folder, or close the folder. Exit or close, you can tell. Correct. Here, if you come from file, creating a file, closing a file, opening a file is same. Closing is what? Same thing. Colon W, that is also there. Or second option if you want, escape. Then colon W A. To A. Can have any of this. I'll just give a minute time if anyone want to write. The for the folder. The for the entire folder. Create, open and close. No doubt. See, now you will feel everything as simple, but when you use your hands on now, then only you will struggle. So when you have clarity, whatever you do the preparation, okay, do it properly, because what happened right now, example, this may be at you are at institute, correct? You may be at master VLSI now. See, for fresher, I think whether you are aware or not, you need to give, you are here now, correct? Your first step is that you need to get into what? Service company. Maybe something called HCL, Wipro, like this. They are all service company. From there, again, you need to go to one more interview you need to give called a what? Product company. Okay. Example, Intel, Qualcomm, all this one. Nvidia, Google. They are all called like what? Product company. See what happened from the institute to a service company, only basic knowledge is enough. They are all small companies, so they will ask a question like also like that only. Okay. They are all big company, so they need what? Basic like what? Advanced. Okay. See, if you want to give any Nvidia interview, Qualcomm interview, do you think like a fresher knowledge if you have, they will take you? They never even consider you. Okay. In order to crack that, minimum to minimum 4-year level knowledge limit. 4-year level. 3 to 4-year level. Clear? So, product company means you need to have a knowledge of what? 4-year level. 3 to 4-year level knowledge if you have, then only you can enter into the product company. Else they won't take you at all in any way. Now, what my student will tell, Nitesh, 4-year knowledge, no, I am in first year, now I am a fresher. After 4 years only, I'll get that knowledge now. Not like that. You will go, you will go here. Okay. The moment you go here, they will keep a proxy experience on you. Fake experience. Who will create? This company only will create a fake experience on your name. Okay. Don't tell like they won't create. You prove me wrong. Okay, I'll give the whatever you tell, I'll give the gift to you. That can never happen. They will create a fake experience on your name. 100% they need to create, because this company will not take any student below 3-year level. They need minimum what kind of student? People. 3-year level. So 3-year level only they need. So what happens? They will take you. Okay. The people, they will do the filtering and all here. And they will check, are you able to crack the client interview or not? Okay. That people only they will consider here. Okay. Client level, you are ready to crack, and they will keep the experience on your name. They will keep a fake experience on your name. Okay. They will tell like, how they can keep, example, you will come to Wipro. I will tell to the Nvidia, okay, this person was working with me from last 3 years, they were working with me only. This is what about background verification? Will he do the background verification? No, he won't do. He only need to do. He only will keep. So no one will do the background verification. So no BC, nothing will be there. They themselves will keep a fake experience on your name. Okay. Because what happens, then only your profile they can push it to the client. When you will go here, then only you can earn the money and give it to them, right? Keep in mind, if you tell it's a basic enough, no, okay, enough, I cannot take that much load. No problem. Maximum 6 months you can stay here and you can enjoy your honeymoon period here. After 6 months, you need to come out again. Okay. You will be a jobless. Because here you will not have any work. Okay. Once again, after going here, you need to sit and read only. Okay. They will tell training. There won't be a training and all. Nothing. They will tell, okay, you do APB text bench example. That you need to do it. How to do? You need to learn from here only. Okay. So don't think like any company will give the training. Training won't be possible. See, IT company, they will give the training. VLSI company, no one will give the training. You know the reason why we won't give training? Wait, I'll just tell you that also. We cannot give any training to the VLSI engineer. training all you need to do it out before the company. Okay. What is the opening in the LinkedIn? What you have seen? We are hiring fresher or we are hiring trained fresher? Trained fresher, VLSI for IT. We are hiring fresher. See, this makes it very clear. They will hire only what? Trained fresher. So because you need to have a training before you come into the company. Clear? So keep in mind, this company will keep you what experience? Proxy experience. They will keep a fake experience on your name. 100% they will keep. See, wait, I'll just use something. Okay. See, some people will feel, no, Nidhi, you are telling lie. Okay. Okay, I'll show you something so you'll get a clarity. Offline student, one more interview drive will be there. That is yesterday we have got here. I'll be sharing you today on this. David, see, I'll just show you. Can you people read this one? One lane I want you to read for me. Read this one. Can anyone read this one? The one lane you read for me. Current team of 200 plus client ready engineer. What do you mean by client ready engineer? You take our students, they can crack what? Product company, not service company. Service is here. Okay. Client ready means you don't give any training to my student. You take our student, directly they can crack what? Client. And they have a knowledge of what? They have trained with what? 3 to 4 year level knowledge. Why we have said 3 to 4 year level knowledge? Because from here to here you go. Correct. Here, if I send any student who is ready to crack this interview, it will be good or bad for them. See, try to understand what I'm telling here. See, I'll give you two scenarios. Okay, master VLSI service company, product company. There is a scenario one. From here, you'll go here. Example. Example 2026. You'll from here. Example, you'll go to almost maybe 2026 here. Okay. Then what happened? This service company, okay. If we tell them, hey man, we have a people who can readily crack this interview. Is it good for these people or bad for these people? Huh? See, my question. If I tell you this one, hey, take this person. From here, you take the people. They can readily crack this interview. Is it benefit for these people or not? Why? Because normally what happened in other place, what happened in other institute, what happened from the master VLSI, they will take service company will be there. They will keep you for 6 months, 1 year. Again, they will keep you here. And they will tell you sit here and prepare by yourself. No training at all. You prepare by yourself. Then when they feel like, okay, they got fully prepared, then only they will send what? To the client, your resume they will send. Now when you sit here for 6 months, is it loss to them or profit to them? Loss. They need to give you the salary. Correct. That is good. Or you take my people, directly you deploy here and you get the bill, which is better. First one. Correct. Here, what happened from the day one, he will be in the bill. Correct. Billing will happen for him day one. And company will start earning the revenue from the beginning only. In this case, the revenue will happen after how many months? 6 months after that, revenue will start for him. So it's a loss to them, right? So that is the reason. What happened? So prepare for a product company only. Okay. Because what happened? Always do not prepare for service company. If you prepare for service company, again you need to come to the institute to prepare for product company. Okay, so better from here directly plan for here preparation only. So if you are able to have a knowledge of product company, service company, easily you can crack. Correct. So keep in mind. So here to here it's a basic knowledge is enough. Here to here advanced knowledge is needed. Okay. If you don't have advanced knowledge, keep in mind you cannot be selected for one single company also. Clear? Anyone have any doubt? So whatever I'll be teaching, make sure you learn that much more than enough for next 4 year, 5 year. You are not supposed to go to any training center. Only one time you take a training and get it complete properly. Okay. Or else what happens? There are people I have seen. Okay. They took first training at one place. Then they took another training at another place. Third time, fourth time they came to the master VLSI. Money lost, time also wasted. Okay, you cannot grow in your career because you will be in the institute only. You will be roaming here and there. When you will grow in career. So whenever you take a training, take it in one go, in one shot properly. Okay. See what happens. Some student will tell, "Hey, master VLSI, your syllabus is more." Obviously, my syllabus is more compared to the other institute. Mine is very high. The reason is that if you want me to reduce, I'll reduce. For me, nothing will happen. Will I lose anything? I'll take full money and I'll give you half course. I'll not do anything. Instead, I'll spend 2 or 3 batch more. See, learn properly. Don't pay 2 times. Only 1 time you pay. Learn fully. Okay. Huh? See, day before yesterday, one Jeevan came, right? One from Andhra, he came, who worked in AMD, Qualcomm and all. What is it? He worked as first what? SAD or buffer issues. Okay, what happened? Example, you are HCL here. Here you have one Qualcomm project. Normally, you know how you will be get hired. Okay, you are a fresher. Okay. Now what happened? This fresher will go here. Okay. This fresher will go to HCL. Along with this fresher, there are a lot of senior people will be there. Do you agree? Senior, lead level, correct? All these people will be there. What happened? HCL will tell Qualcomm, hey, give me the project. Project also, there are different types of project. Turnkey, partial turnkey. Partial turnkey. Projects are called like what? Turnkey project or partial turnkey project. Let us see what do you mean by turnkey? Turnkey project. Turnkey project, a contract delivery method where a single contractor manages the entire project, design, engineering, construction, commissioning, delivering a fully operational facility to the client, who only need to turn the key to begin the operation. What is the project is called a turnkey. Turnkey project. There is a project will be called like what? Turnkey, partial turnkey. Turnkey means what happens? Now imagine like HCL will tell to the Qualcomm, hey Qualcomm, you give me one project. Okay, turnkey project. Now what do you mean by turnkey? Example, I'll give you one example. Do you remember in the construction we'll tell, hey, I have given material contract. What do you mean by material contract? Whenever you do the construction, okay, your engineer will tell you just need to come to open the key, that's it. You don't come for anything else. For brick work, I'll take care. Your electrical work, I'll take care. Your water work, I'll take care. Your interior, I will take care. You just need to come for what? Only to open the key. That's it. We don't need you from your day one. Normally, one construction means 1 year minimum it will go. Correct. You come on January 1, you show us the land, you give us the money. Okay. When you come again, December 31st, you come, I'll give you the key. From that key, again, when you do you need to do the electrical work? No need. Plumbing work? No need. Any everything will be completely done. That is called as what? Material contract. So similarly here also, turnkey. You just come to turn on your project. Is it clear? This is called turnkey. Turnkey means what happens? HCL will tell to the Qualcomm, hey man, you give me your complete project. You give me the amount. I'll make your project complete, ready to run. That's it. Okay. So that is called turnkey. Now what happened? One more way is that called partial turnkey. There is something called imagine like bank. One bank I want to create. Bank construction I want to do, or RBI office I want to construct. Do you think will you give for complete material contract? Because in RBI or bank, what happens? There is a secret vault and all will be there to keep a money. Correct? Will you give it to anyone? So that is a full project you will give or partial project you will give it to them. Partial. Correct. You will tell, hey, you do one thing, construction and all, you do it. Okay. One particular big room, you are not supposed to enter at all. They all we will take care. We'll keep the gold money and all lockers. Will you give it to the material contract person only, or you will do it? You will get it from your side. You will do it from your side. Correct. This part you will do it. Remaining part, your contractor will do. That is what full the turnkey or partial turnkey. Partial turnkey. So it means what? This project will be done in collaboration with these two people. Here, example, 10 engineers are needed. 5 he will put, 5 he will put. That is here. Here what happened? 10 from HCL only. Here 5 will be from HCL, 5 will be from what? Qualcomm. That is called partial. They are all words you are supposed to know. Okay, note down everything. Whatever I tell, all you note down. Because they are all technical words I'm talking about. What you see, it's not like only subject knowledge. What terminology we use every day, that also you are supposed to know. Okay. What is your turnkey? Partial turnkey. Is it clear? Huh? Any doubt? See, Qualcomm will pay you him 50 crore. To whom? HCL. HCL is the only one person who will handle everything. Okay. See, for this building, I'll give you, see, I'm a owner. You are a mason or you are an engineer. I'll give you 10 crore rupees. I'll not come at all. When I will come? Final day. That's it. I'll not come in between that. And I will not give my one person also to you. What I'll give? Only what? Money. Beyond money, I'll not give anything. Here what happened? Money also need to give because partial turnkey for 5 HCL engineer, who will pay the money? Qualcomm. Okay. Qualcomm will give the money also. Qualcomm will give their what? Resource also. Okay. So let me just write like this for you. Okay. For your understanding. Turnkey. Now, let us think like the here is Qualcomm in a full turnkey. Full turnkey. Man, men will become from where from which company engineer will be there? HCL. Engineer from HCL alone. Correct. And what Qualcomm will do then? Qualcomm will give what? Give only money. Qualcomm job is to give the money. HCL job to give the resource and to complete the project. HCL engineer from HCL alone, and they only need to complete the project. Clear? partial turnkey means what happened? Engineer will be from which place? HCL. Let's call. Engineer from where? HCL when? Qualcomm, both will be there. And Qualcomm will pay for their employee and Qualcomm will pay to HCL for their employee. Do you agree? Qualcomm will pay the money for two people, one for their own people, one for HCL people. For HCL people, they will give the money to HCL, okay, and HCL will distribute the amount to the resource. Is it clear? So, what is a turnkey, partial turnkey? Is it clear? Okay. Normally, see, wherever there is no secrecy involved, okay, means if I see, there is something like if I give it to HCL, I have a fear that HCL may steal my technology. If anything, I want to build from a scratch. Newly, I want to build completely from the scratch. I want to build. Then I will go for full turnkey because newly I want to build means what? There is no scope to take something, right? But suppose already I have something already. Okay, with the help of that, I want to develop a new product. Then what happens? I need few more engineers. So then I'll hire the engineer from where? HCL. Okay, HCL will ask HCL, do one thing, you do this kind of work, we will do this kind of work. Then rest of the remaining we will take care. So in the partial turnkey, both the engineer will contribute to complete the project. Here only HCL people alone will contribute to complete the project. Clear? Now what happened? See, you were asking what is that buffer resource, correct? Buffer means what happened from master VLSI example. Here there is you are a fresher. You will go. There are seniors will be there. One senior, one lead, and all like this will be there. Now what happened? The senior HCL will tell if we have lead or senior engineer. Okay, on their name only project they will take. Okay, hey Qualcomm, do one thing. We have 5 lead engineer. I have 10-year experience person. Okay, like this Nitesh. Okay, see example. I'll tell mine only. A lot of service company are asking me, come Nitesh, we'll take one project and we'll do it. Okay, who need to lead the project? Project Qualcomm. To the Qualcomm, they will show my page only. Or on my name, they will take the project. Okay, Nitesh, one senior most engineer is there. Okay, who have this profile, the detail and all. Okay, Qualcomm will get a confident. Okay, but 10 page here means what? Normally, they will have a confident. Okay, now on my name, they will take a project. Okay, then these people will ask Nitesh, it's your choice. Which are the engineers you want? You take under yours. Okay, senior engineer, I'll take it. Because all senior engineer, I cannot take that because billing will increase more. Okay, senior means minimum 3-year experience. If I take means 18 lakh rupees, he will ask. So what happens? Along with senior engineer, a few what I'll do? Pressure also I'll take. So then what happens? First, I will go here. Okay, lead. Okay, example. There is a senior engineer, I'll take it. Qualcomm actually will pay for these 2 engineer only. Okay, first Qualcomm will pay for how many engineers? Only 2. What about the fresher? They won't pay at all. What happened? The lead will tell, hey, to the HCL, can you send me some resource? They won't give the senior resource. Why? Senior means money will come. Okay, so there are some freshers are there. Okay, Nitya, I'll do one thing. I'll send 2-3 fresher to you. Now you will go here. Okay, you are called like what? Non-billing resource. What do you call? Non-billing. Keep in mind, Qualcomm will not pay 1 rupee also to you. They do pay for only for these 2 people. These 2 people, like a buy 2 get 2 free, like. Okay. You means for you on your name, we will not get 1 rupee also from the company. This is the fact, 100%. Okay. Then what happens? You will start helping us for the project. When you start helping us, you will also learn the technology. Slowly you will learn. After 6 months, you will be in a position that you got a clear idea. Now Qualcomm will start. Hey, do one thing. Then what we'll do? We'll ask them. You leave. You go for other project. We'll ask them. Okay, because billing is not coming right. Purposely after 6 months, we'll ask them to go back to company. That time Qualcomm will tell no problem. You keep these two people here only with us. Okay, because they learned the technology. Now what Qualcomm will tell? Okay, we will pay for these two people also. Till 6 months, you went as what? Buffer resource. How you went? Buffer resource. This is called like what? Buffer resource or non-billing resource. You will tell no why service company will put a bond. This reason. See, from you, no income is there for any company. Keep in mind. Till the 3 year, you are totally lost to the company. Okay. Because from you, what happened? You will come here. See, from the institute, you will come here. You will stay here for 6 months, 1 year. You will learn something. Then slowly, with some lead engineer, we will send you. There also 6 months, 1 year, you will take to learn slowly. Almost till 2 years, you are dead lost to me. After 2 years, okay. From your third year onwards, I can make a money on you. Okay. You will tell no. Okay, why all the company will take? Some people will be writing in WhatsApp. Okay, why only senior people only with the company will tell? Shall we take the fresher? Huh? See what the fresher will do. I'll tell you. If this is a big code, if any error will come, okay, what my fresher will do? They will delete this line. They will run that error only won't come. Correct. See, when I also was a fresher, what happened? What I did, I'll tell you. One lane was the lane. I'm getting error. So what I did? Delete, and I have run it again. Okay, will that error will come again? Okay, no, that error won't come, right? That time my lead came. I was very happy. I came today only and I have solved the problem also. Okay, like a Rajnikant. Okay, my lead came. Okay, what you did? Yeah, I did like this. I deleted the link. Error now gone. Given left and right. Now do one thing. You delete entire file. Write $1 display. Write text passed. Delete entire code. Write only one line. What? Text passed. Run it now. Like you do for all the tests. Leave the company tomorrow. Because all the tests you have passed, right? What fresher will do? They will do like this only. See, they will delete the lines only. See, whatever they want, all the nonsense they will try. Correct. So you got why you won't take fresher? So here what other I only have you to do all this one nonsense when I why fresher. If I get any error, no, 1 or 2 line you delete. Okay, be happy. Go to the link. Hey man, I solved like a Rajnikant. Okay. Then he used to come give me left and right. Okay, then he said like do one thing. You have 10 text K given right. In all the 10 files, you first delete. In all the text K, what you write? Dollar display, text passed. Run all. In 1 day only you can complete all your work. Tomorrow you leave. Because your work is done, right? Got it. So we need to do properly. See, is it clear what is buffer resource you asked, no? Buffer or non-billing resource. Chal. Next, we'll know. Done? You have noted down before. File part also done. Okay, next part will go. GVM done. TD. TD I have already said. CD double dot I said. MV. MV stand for what? Move or rename. Correct. Move or rename. Imagine like yesterday, if you remember, I said you one thing. MV folder name available. Folder name available. What is it? What did you do? Huh? Create source. Create destination. What did you do? Move or rename? Huh? Move. Move. MV. Folder name. Available. Folder name. Not available. What it will do? Huh? Rename. MV. Folder name. Not available. And folder name available. Destination folder name available. What do you do? Huh? Error. Folder name not available. Here also, whatever the name you given, not available. It will give what? Error. Note it down, please. So, you got what do you mean by move? What do you mean by rename? What do you mean by error? Okay. If names are available, other your destination is also available, then it leads to move. If that is not available, that leads to what? Rename. Okay. Maybe for folder also the same thing. This is for only folder or file also same thing. Folder or file, same. Okay. Folder or file, both. Clear? Now, whatever I said is that is for folder only, correct? See. If you remember yesterday I have shown you, right? All that one. Next, that is for folder. What about file? Is for folder or file? Folder. Do we need to learn only for folder or file also we need to learn? File also we need to learn. Correct. Now just give me 1 minute here. I'll delete everything so that MV master VLSI. See, first of all, MCDR master VLSI. Master VLSI. One. Now what happened? Two folders got created. MV master VLSI. Master VLSI. One. What will happen? Huh? Okay. Master VLSI is available or not available? Available folder. Master VLSI one. Available. It will lead to what now? Move or rename? Move. MV master. Spelling typo I have given wrong. MCDR master VLSI. Master VLSI. One. Now correct. MV master VLSI. Master VLSI one. What will happen now? Okay. Correct. It more has happened. Now MV here next. MV master VLSI one. Master VLSI two. Is it available? Master VLSI 2 is available or not? Not available. Then what it will do? Rename. Correct. Pakka rename has happened. Okay. Is it related to the folder? Okay. Rest anything. See now what student is asking, we take do one thing. Master VLSI 1. Is it available now? Master VLSI 1. 1 is not available. Master VLSI 2 is available. If I do like this, what will happen? Huh? See here, what is available? If you see here, 1 is available or 2 is available? 2 is available. But what I have given here? 1. It means what I have given not available. And 1 available. Then what you will get? Huh? Error. Imagine 3, is it available? Both are available. Error you will get. Folder done. Can we go for file? Okay. Now file. Master VLSI 1.txt. Master VLSI 1.txt. Minus BNB. Sorry. First let me create. Create means key 2 files are there. Now, can I do like this? Master VLSI dot txt. Can you do it? Move. Think properly. Is it possible or not possible? I'll put the enter later. First, is it possible or not possible? What do you mean by move in a folder? Move means what? In the master VLSI folder, master VLSI 1, you need to push, correct? Is it in the file? Is it possible? Master VLSI dot txt. In that, can you push the another file? Huh? Possible or not possible? Okay, let me give enter for you people. Whatever. Even if you have given what it took. Okay, let me just do one thing. Is it master VLSI 1? Is it any other file got pushed? No. With you cannot push it at all. What you can do? Rename only. What you can do? Rename only. Can you do that? Okay, see here. Now here what again you need to understand here. This is for folder. For file when I do, what happens? Here file name available. This file name is also available. What will happen? Huh? Move will happen or rename will happen here? Huh? Rename. In one file, can you push another file? Possible. In window, it is possible. No. Rename. See? If you remember, master VLSI 1 also I had it. And both I had it. Correct. The moment when I have given, this file got changed to what? One. Both are available. Keep in mind. Both are available. But still, if I give, what will happen? It will rename. Now what happened? You just observe this one. First one is available or not available? Master VLSI 1. Available or not available? Second one? Not available. If I do like this, what will happen? Huh? So rename. Here also it's a rename only. So a rename only. Okay. Now MV master VLSI 2.txt. Master VLSI 3.txt. Is it available? Master VLSI 2.txt. 3 is available or not available? Not available. 2. If you do like this, what will happen? Pakka? If you give 4, both are available? Huh? MV model, MV. See, what is the command you are using?
You saying about file?
File, how will you move? No. Here, you say, okay, see, once again, I'll just show you. See, forget everything. See, once again, from the beginning, I'll just tell you. Okay, but what I don't want any file. I will create two files, master VLSI .txt, master VLSI 1.txt. Okay. and I need to use what management. I created two files. Do you agree? For creating what GBM you use it. Now to move master VLSI 1.txt, master VLSI 1.txt. Both are available. Will the move will happen? What happened? Rename has happened. See, if you want, insert the GNI file is there? No. A move won't happen. It will lead to what? Rename. Now, master VLSI 1.txt available. 2 available. Master VLSI 2.txt available or not? It will lead to what? Rename. MV master VLSI 3.txt. Is it available? Master VLSI 2.txt available. Leads to what? 4 leads to what? That is what I want. Data. What is the learning here? Tell me.
In the file, there is no.
Only meaning. Clear? Now one more concept is there. What is the next? Mix. One I will have folder name, one I will have what? File. We'll see that what will happen. Now, what is master VLSI 2? 1 year. I'll remove everything. RM manual. Nothing I have. See, I will create one folder. LTL master VLSI. Give him master VLSI.txt. See, one folder, one file. Do you agree? Huh? One folder is there, one file is there. MV folder. Folder is what? Master VLSI. Then I will keep file. What happened? Error. MV file I will keep. Folder I will do. What happens? Not change it here. Just see. Is it moved? File got moved. See, you will listen for a while. They are all some basic. So don't understand. You will struggle here only. See, source, destination. They have folder. They have file. You are telling, hey, this folder you copy in the file. Possible? Can you copy the folder into the file? Any? No. This file is there. I want to copy to this folder. Is it possible? Huh? File we can copy to the folder. Folder you cannot copy to the file. You understand who is source, who is destination. Clear? This will give you what? Error. File you have. Can you move inside a folder? Yes. You have a folder. Can you move inside a file? No. Okay. I have explained you all possibility, whichever we use. MV file name available and folder name available. File can be pushed into the folder. File I can push to the folder or not? What will they? Move or rename? MV folder name which is available and file name also is available. Huh? Yeah. Clear? So you need to understand all these basics. For folder, how will you do? For file, when you do the mixing, how you will do? Clear? Online student, any doubt? Clear? Online people?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So next. See now what student is asking is if anything is not available in a hybrid case, what people are asking in hybrid case, see available means chalega, correct. Now people are asking is one folder is not available or one file is not available. In that case, what happens? All are error only. Okay. See one example, I'll just show you one thing here. See here. MV folder is available. Pakka. Okay. File is available. Now file is there in that. That file is there or not? Here. LH, only two people are there. This is available. This is what? That entire folder I renamed to what? Huh? Folder name. See, what is the learning again here? I'll just tell you like this way. MV. Okay, see, I'll tell you like this way. Folder name available. Anything which is not available. Okay, it will be like rename. It will do what? Renaming with that.
Go there and also.
Huh.
Hold on.
See here.
Yeah, no.
See your object. Master VLSI 1.txt. Okay. See first of all. What is available? See folder is available. MV master VLSI 1. Okay. This folder name. This file name is available. No. So what it will do now? It will rename the folder with what? .txt with. Now it become a folder. Yes. Now don't tell like what people will think. Yeah. People will think like this. In the one folder, master VLSI.txt, I have another file. In the file, one file cannot be there, you said. This is not file, this is what now? Folder with what name? .txt you kept. Folder name itself you kept I what? .txt. Good. Then you cannot call that I what? File. It's a folder only. Okay. Now we will do what? Rename. Okay, next. If anything called it, file name, one file name is available. Not available. It's a folder. Not available. File name is available. Ulta we will do it. MKDA. Let us see. Now what I should here? Folder name not available. Now what is available? Only the file is available. MV. I want to create master VLSI file. File is available. This folder. Now you see here. MV. This folder itself is not available. It will lead to what? Rest all are error case only. Okay, just this much more than beyond this I have already explained.
But you said
Here renaming this one. The rename, the I copy pasted, they are all error. Rest all are error case only. So only with folder to folder you can use the MV command. File to file you can use it, or folder and file also you can use MV command. So move will happen, rename will happen. Okay. File to file, anything if you do, only what will happen? Rename. Folder to folder if you do, and file and folder if you do, both options are there. Okay. Folder to folder, rename is also there, move is also there. File to file, in any file to file, if you do what? Move option is not there, only what is there? Rename. Folder and file if you do, both are. Any doubt? Okay, then we'll stop it for the day. Okay. Tomorrow we'll continue. Not tomorrow. There is Saturday or Sunday, right? Monday we'll continue. See, make sure Monday, like I have given you the resume, right? Make sure you prepare the resume. If anyone need a resume correction, one or two clients will take and we'll do the resume correction of all the student if you want. Okay. How to write a resume and all, I have given already sample in the group if you don't know. Okay. And maybe possible next week onward or next of the next week onward. Okay. We'll give you the option of coming for at least couple of days for offline. All these people, right? I'll send you one in the group, one link. Who all are interested to them, we'll give you the slot. Okay, then we'll stop it for the day.